Hello, this is Sanya Patel and you're welcome to HW News English. The Supreme Court today posted Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail hearing to next week, giving no immediate relief to the AAP convener. During the hearing, the court said that if Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is granted interim bail, he won't be allowed to perform official duties due to the potential consequences. On the same day, Delhi Rouse Avenue Court extended Kejriwal's judicial custody till May 20 in connection to a money laundering case related to the Delhi liquor policy issue. The bench emphasized that if it grants release to the AAP chief, he should refrain from performing official duties to prevent any interference in government work. They clarified that the consideration for interim bail is primarily due to the elections, highlighting it's a matter of propriety rather than legality. The court also asked Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who was representing the Enforcement Directorate, why it had taken the central agency 2 years to take action against the political executive, a reference to the Chief Minister and his party setting up a potential significant moment for him today. The court questioned the ED. The problem here is that it's taken 2 years for this. It's not good for any investigating agency to say it takes 2 years to uncover. Now, when will the trial begin? Going from one stage to another, from starting the process to making an arrest. The court also inquired why no questions were raised about Mr. Kejriwal before summoning him and making the arrest during the investigation. The only question is, why didn't you ask earlier and why the delay? If I had started asking about Arvind Kejriwal right from the beginning, it would have been seen as malified. Mr. Raju responded, adding, "It takes time to understand. We can't rush it. Things need to be confirmed." Earlier, Mr. Raju had mentioned statements from approvers, former accused individuals who became government witnesses, and stated, "There isn't a single statement that clears the AAP leader in this case." Mr. Raju's strong statements aimed to counter arguments from Mr. Kejriwal's side, claiming that the Chief Minister was not initially mentioned in witness records. The AAP leader's team highlighted that the agency had argued as late as March 16, just 5 days before his arrest, that Mr. Kejriwal had not been named as an accused. Representing Mr. Kejriwal, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi also noted that all the evidence on which Mr. Kejriwal is being arrested dates back to before 2023. Every piece of material is from July 2023 or earlier. In the previous hearing, the bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Dipankar Datta hinted that they might consider granting the Aam Aadmi Party leader temporary bail to enable him to campaign for the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. Delhi's 7 Lok Sabha seats, all of which the Bharatiya Janata Party won in the 2019 election, are scheduled for polling on May 25. Recognizing the lengthy nature of these legal proceedings, the court had shown readiness to listen to arguments from both the parties regarding the possibility of granting bail. Also, tune into HW News English at 9 p.m. tonight for a special live. HW News Managing Editor Sujit Nair speaks to retired Commissioner of Police Miran Borwankar on a range of issues. That's all for this breaking news today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.